Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss current affair related questions. Let us start. India's first ethanol plant under public-private partnership model to be set up in which state? I'll give you 3 seconds to answer. And the answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Indian Oil Corporation has launched the country's first remote monitoring system for oil refineries at. And the answer is Hyderabad, which is in Telangana. Next question. India and Dash hold passage exercise in East Indian Ocean region. India along with which country? And the answer is Russia. Next question. Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy is related to which sports? And the answer is cricket. Next question. Dash and PayPal has published a report on fraud and risk management in digital payments. PayPal along with. The answer is Data Security Council of India, DSCI. Next question. RBI has set up a committee headed by Dash on restructuring of loans impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is the head of this committee? And the answer is KV Kaman. Next question. Which state government has launched Raitu Bandhu scheme for farmers? And the answer is Telangana government. Next question. Dash in partnership with Skylo has launched world's first satellite-based narrowband Internet of Things network in India. The answer is BSNL. Next question. What is the India's rank in Human Development Index 2020 published by United Nations Development Programme? What is the India's rank? And the answer is 131. Next question. What is India's ranking in Human Freedom Index 2020 published by Cato Institute, which is in USA, and Mercer Institute, which is in Canada? The answer is 111. Next question. India's first tire park to be come up in which state? The answer is West Bengal. Next question. Asia's first solar power textile mill to be set up in which state? The answer is Maharashtra. And if they ask you the district, Parbhani district. Next question. Dash government passed bill to convert state-run madrasas into regular schools. Which state government? And the answer is Assam. Next question. The India Meteorological Department has launched country's highest meteorological center in Dash. And the answer is Leh. Next question. Dash launched DigiBox, India's own cloud storage platform. And the answer is Niti Aayog. Next question. Which state government has launched country's first ever hot air balloon safari in Banwar Tiger Reserve? Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which country has changed its national anthem from For We Are Young and Free to For We Are One and Free? There is a one word change. Instead of young, now they are writing one. The answer is Australia. Next question. Which state has decided to include history of Sikh gurus in school syllabus? Which state government? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh government. Next question. Which state government has permitted to open shops 24 by 7 to recover from pandemic losses? Which government has permitted? The answer is Karnataka. Next question. Pongdam Sanctuary is located in which state? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Northeast's first ever specialized ginger processing plant is located at Dash. The answer is Meghalaya. Next question. What is Google's MURIL? The answer is multilingual representation for Indian language. Next question. India's first lithium refinery to be set up in which state? Lithium refinery. And the answer is Gujarat. Next question. Which state has emerged as the best governed state in the Public Affairs Index 2020? And the answer is Kerala. Next question. India's first sandalwood museum to be set up in Dash. The answer is Mysuru, which is in Karnataka. Next question. Which state government launched Launch Pad scheme to make youth self-reliant? Which state government has launched this scheme? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which firm has become India's second firm to cross 10 lakh crore market capitalization? And the answer is Tata Consultancy Service, that is TCS. Next question. What is the theme of 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2021, which was held on 9th January? And the answer is contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next question. Dash launched Operation Meri Saheli for security of women while traveling. The answer is Indian Railways has launched Operation Meri Saheli. Next and final answer. What is India's rank in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business 2020? And the answer is 63rd rank. If you like this video, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.